Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to dive into a powerful workflow that uses visual prompts to generate videos. The cool thing about this method is that it produces consistent and reliable results without you having to write complex, long-winded prompts. The first step is to create a visual instruction right on the image you want to animate. The idea is simple. We'll create a bounding box around the subject or object and then give the model clear, short instructions to follow. You can use any image editor for this, like Canva, Photoshop, or whatever you're comfortable with. For this example, I'm going to be using Canva. Let's open up Canva and bring in our image. I'll be using this cartoon image of a girl walking on the street. I'll show you how easy it is to create a bounding box here. First, head over to the Elements tab on the left. You should see a solid square. Click on it to add it to your image. Now, we need this box to be transparent with a black border. To do that, click on the color option and select No Color. This will make the inside of the box transparent. You might notice the borders had also become invisible, but don't worry. To bring them back, click on Stroke Style and choose the straight line. Perfect. Now we have our bounding box. Next, we need to add our text instructions. Click on the text button on the left panel to add a text block. I'm going to type text sits down in the same place. I'll make sure the text is inside the bounding box and easy for the model to see. Now that our image is ready, let's open a new workspace in Pixelflow. First, we need to add the image we just prepared. Let's grab an image input node, click the upload button, and bring in our image. To animate it, we'll use Veo3. I'll choose Veo3 Fast because it's both quicker and more affordable. Let's connect our image to the Veo3 Fast node. We also need a text prompt, so I'll add a text prompt node and connect that as well. Now, here's an important prompt to use. Delete the first frame immediately and follow the instructions in the text box. This will tell the model to get rid of the bounding box and text at the beginning of the video. Finally, let's add an output video node and connect it to Veo3 so we can preview the result. Let's go ahead and generate our first video. This might take a few seconds. The video looks a little cropped, and the full character isn't visible. We didn't enable the audio options before, so let's go back and enable those to see if it helps. I'll rerun the workflow now and give it a couple of minutes. Great! This looks much better. As you can see, the model followed the instructions quite well. We might still need to edit out the first few seconds to completely remove the bounding box and text, but it's a good start. Now, let's try generating a different video. I'll go back to Canva and edit our original image. This time, I'll change the text to turns around and walks away. Then, I'll save this new image. We'll upload this new image into our workflow. This time, I'll make a few small tweaks to the prompt to see if we can get rid of the bounding box and text even faster. Let's run the workflow and wait for our video. Impressive! The model followed our new instructions precisely. I'm really happy with the quality of these outputs. What if we want to add more than one bounding box and instruction? Let's go back to our first image. I'll add another bounding box around the lamp and add the instruction, lamp explodes. We want the character to sit down first and then have the lamp explode. So I'll add a 1 to the first text box and a 2 to the new one. This tells the model to execute the first instruction and then the second. I'll save this image and try generating the video. Let's upload our new image and run the workflow. Okay, moment of truth. We have our video. The bounding box and text still persist for a few seconds, and there are some weird artifacts, like new hands popping out of nowhere. Let's try regenerating it one more time. I'll hit the run button. All right, this looks much better than the last one. We got rid of the bounding box and text almost immediately, and the animation is clean. This is a fantastic hack for generating consistent videos without the headache of writing complex prompts. It's a great way to save time and credits. Give this a try, and let us know how it works for you. We hope you like this video. We'll be back with another exciting step-by-step guide in our next video. Until then, bye.